I'm Anna Fugate Downs, expert makeup artist for Rejuva Minerals Cosmetics. Today, I'm going to show you some complexion perfecting techniques using Rejuva Minerals concealers, powders, and foundations. Keep watching to achieve a flawless face for everyday wear with Rejuva Minerals Cosmetics. First, I'll apply a couple pumps of the Rejuva Minerals Ultra Hydration Moisturizer to a clean face with my hands. Using a good moisturizer like Ultra Hydration is a vital step in any makeup routine. Give your skin a plumped, even texture. The Ultra Hydration Moisturizer absorbs quickly and perfectly prepares your face for foundation. When the Ultra Hydration Moisturizer has absorbed, I have the option to prime my face for makeup with the Ultra Sheer Multitask Powder and the High Def Buki Brush. To apply, I swirl my brush into the sifter jar and tap off the excess. Then, using the Buki brush in sweeping motions, I apply a light coat of multitask powder on areas prone to oiliness, which for me is the eyelids and forehead. Rejuva Minerals Multitask Powder is a great tool for your makeup arsenal because it has so many uses. It can be worn under makeup to prevent oiliness, over makeup to mattify foundation, and even as a dry shampoo. Next, I begin to perfect my complexion using Rejuva Minerals' brand new Moisturizing Luminous Cream Foundation. Depending on the amount of coverage necessary, I like to use my fingers or the included puff. I use my fingers for the darkness in my under eye area, which gives me a lot of coverage. It also lightly warms the foundation, which makes it super blendable and smooth. For areas that don't need as much coverage, like the redness under my nose, I use the included puff. I swirl a portion of the puff into the Luminous Cream Foundation and pat on the buildable coverage. If it needs to be blended, I turn the puff around to the clean half and lightly tap to pick up some of the excess product. If your skin errs on the side of dryness, you can also apply Rejuva Minerals Moisturizing Luminous Cream Foundation with the Chisel and Blend brush for a full face of coverage without using any powder. For this method, swirl the Chisel and Blend brush into the Luminous Cream Foundation, really loading up the brush. Then, dot the cream foundation evenly around your face before blending the areas together with firm buffing motions. The Moisturizing Luminous Cream Foundation comes in two sizes: a beautiful full-size compact, which is 7.4 grams, and a trial size, which is 2.8 grams. The trial size is perfect for your travel makeup bag and even comes with its own tiny travel puff. My next step to complexion perfection is using the Rejuva Minerals Loose Powder Foundation in Neutral with the High Def Buki Brush. Just like the multitask powder, I'll swirl the Buki brush into the sifter jar and tap off the excess. However, this time I'm going to evenly coat my entire face in the loose powder foundation with circular buffing motions, using a medium amount of pressure for a seamless airbrushed look. Something I love about both the loose powder foundation and the multitask powder is that they come in an eco-friendly sifter jar made in Italy from regenerated or vegetable materials. Also, Rejuva Minerals Loose Powder Foundation has such a beautiful natural luster in a wide range of shades that gives you a healthy, glowy skin. Now that my complexion is looking even, I'm going to customize my coverage to finish out this everyday flawless face. I'll use the Loose Powder Concealer in Natural, which also is packaged in the eco-friendly sifter jar. I lightly dab with a fingertip to brighten my under eye area and my eyelid. Pink-toned concealers, like Natural, are best for bouncing light away from the face to lighten dark shadows caused by your bone structure or blemish scarring. Yellow-toned concealers, like Golden Sand, are best to neutralize redness caused by rosacea or blemishes. And voila! A fresh, beautifully perfected complexion using exclusively Rejuva Minerals. Their cosmetics are free from toxins, GMOs, common skin irritants, and on top of all of that are vegan-friendly, gluten-free, and extremely affordable. Use this foundation look as a backdrop for a bold, smoky eye on date night, or just for a light lip color on a casual day. Until we meet again, I'm Anna Fugate Downs, expert makeup artist for Rejuva Minerals Cosmetics. Thanks for watching.